if we move on to the solutions, real-time data is one of them. We touched upon it just now, but if we go a little bit into that, what does that mean in practice?
Yeah, in practice it means that nowadays when the engine, for example, is coming to the shop floor, it comes with all the documentation in Excel sheets, in PDFs, in very different kind of format. And it's very old data mostly. So, for example, engine is coming, you get the data from last 2 years at the shop floor. And then you start buying the parts, all the supply chain things start from that. So it's a huge difference if you have the real-time knowledge and how you can have this kind of a situational awareness. It's the integration between the M&E system on airline side and the MRO systems. And that's the Aviadex does. So what we can do there, we can provide the real-time view for the LLP hours, all the cycles and hours the engine is flying, and based on this data we can also forecast